my invitation to the annual Toy Police Dog Dinner. Oh, I love it. I get to see all my old buddies from the police. We talk about the old days. We all sing and eat and bark our heads off. Yeah, we bark until the cows come home. Oh, man.
What is it, Snore? What's the matter?
Nothing really. I just can't go this year, that's all.
Oh, well, why ever not?
I just remembered I'm busy that night.
Oh, what's that all about? He seems so excited. Daddy says he's not going.
I think he just remembered that when he gets together with his buddies, they do a lot of barking. The dogs seem to go in for that sort of thing, you know. Anyway, as we all know, poor old Snorer has lost his bark.
So he thinks all his friends would laugh at him because he can't bark anymore.
You know, Nurse Penny, this just might be a job for those mad bears. We want Snorer.